I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do. Yeah, crazy. Yeah, that gone crazy.
So boom, hey my babies, as you know today is my motherfucking birthday. I'm gonna go trip for my birthday. Trip for you? Yep. Hey, birthday? Move! Move! My birthday, I'm out trip for my birthday. Deep goes until weekend. Hold on. I feel like catch up back everything, like catch up all of me ear. Yeah. Guys, boom back. Come here, boom back. Come here. I'm going to come here, son. Sorry. No, you prepared it? Oh. So yeah. Fuck boy. Yeah, video vlog where you talk boy. Variety. Say hi to my vlog. Caribino. Are you hiding? You shy? What you shy? Who are you to? I got a bitch with the Bible. Yeah. So boom guys, I don't know, so the God is here. The God birthday today, March 3rd per. I have SBA trip today, so I'm not gonna do nothing for my birthday today. Weekend, I'm gonna do birthday, whatever. Oh, I have 2 videos for go now. Here. And the next video, I'm gonna do weekend. Hi. Yes, my girl, nice purr. And I'm there in the bathroom. I'm gonna have vlog today. I know makeup a killer when you're right here, so.
Watch the wild fit me. Tom, it look like smelly fitness.
Laugh out loud. Whoa, that one a funny star.
Guys, so we are take picture your side. Oh, yes, sir. So yes guys, they don't know some of the outside like catching ice cool, and remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah. And them don't get me nothing for my birthday, but my heart broken.
Girl, me never know say your birthday.
Magu for me. Magu, yeah. Woo! Must like, comment, share, subscribe, guys. When I remember where we are going, but one fall something.
Swift River, we are going to Portland.
Swift River in Portland.
I will give you guys a tour.
When we reach, we're there at the bus, so I'm going to show you the vibe, yeah? And plus when we reach, I'm going to show you the vibe too.
Call us, make you call us 5,000, call us 1 more.
I missed that. Miss is so cute. Oh my god.
Hi, darling.
Yes, Atas. Teacher,
yes, friend, man.
Can you please give me a head count? And can you? I know that we are all intelligent Jamaican people. I'm gonna ask for you to count accordingly. Can we begin?
Okay.
Start, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 18, 19, 20, 22, 24, 26.
One travelers, coolest, rich one live on the line like grocery, yeah. Come try your skin.
Everybody learn, hey, look at the bird, look at the bird.
Catch that, girl.
birthday. What you drink?
Let me tell y'all, on the bus, bro, I was a freaking vibe, bro, because for my birthday, I'm a turn up. Even though my birthday wasn't that 100, because my birthday was on a trip day, which is that day that you see right now, I was a vibe, bro. Everybody on the bus, yeah, what's that? Come on, hold on. On a bathroom break, and we gonna use the bathroom and buy what we want buy. Say hey baby, hi, her, say hi. We gonna use the bathroom so they're on bathroom break. Watch me, Kayla. No, what's that? You're moving down the place, girl. I have a video for sure. Yo, where you going with yourself? Girl, we gotta do a little pee and you know, girl. You know? And then we gotta buy. Me gotta buy something to drink. I'm thirsty, so y'all bring anything to us, right? Yes.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to do
So hello guys, this is Akia. Let me interview him. Hold on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, Amber.
Shake that is. Shake. Where you hide? You have no hide?
Please don't jump on that thing. Please.
Alright, so guys, I sleep out most of the trip. You see, I sleep out most of the trip. And right now we are walking to Bush. So we're there at Portland. I don't remember what the place name, but we're there at Portland and we're doing SBA trip. Seaport off of the bus trip. So I'm gonna catch what me catch.
Hey, on the lookout for wasps.
So like me there in a bush and I can't take the bush because I be a drop man a drop. I be a no sir. Umba, no man want hole. Be a bushman there now. So it's my vlog. David, what can I see this? What can I see this? A bush come here, you know? Bumba Jada. No, me know, but me like know them. Here? Don't bathe, afraid of the water. And that's RV crossing the river. And she take it, and she take it, and she come. Oh. And I am wet. But anyways,
Oh, finally we have reached.
we have reached, guys. Guys, most of like, comment, share the video. Watch the ads them. Her, she have vlog too.
Yeah.
Me have vlog. Everybody does a vlog. Miss, say hi. Hi to the vlog. Hi. Yeah. And we here. Period. So guys, I'm not gonna lie, I actually like my birthday. Even though I'm not gonna wear fancy, but I think I'm gonna somewhere fancy on weekend. But really like hang out with my classmates, with my friends, with everybody. I know if more people come, but them not in our class though. But yeah, you don't know all the things her. Woo! So I'm gonna show you some more things. I just be a bush and we'll pass through the river. So yeah. This is what I wear. When I go see my picture.
If you don't want to cross walk, you can't turn, you know, can't move. Can't for your walk. Everybody reach over. No. Somebody drop.
Yes, girl.
Alright, so people.
Yeah.
Alright, so people, everybody hearing me?
Yes.
Going to be doing task C,
Yes, miss.
which says to investigate the effect of moisture on the distribution of species. What is going to be done is that a
Jada.
transit is going to be run from the
So what's next foot now? Yeah. Alright, good girl. Yeah, good. Yeah, wash. Alright. No dirty cloth. No dirty socks around here.
Brother, you wash it without soap. Miss me.
Mama cloth. Hey baby Janelle. Yeah. So guys, we are river. I'm going on the river there. Tell me, I go down the river. Some go for my food. Say hi Rabina to my vlog. Hi baby. Move it and baby, you're cheap on me. You're cheap on me.
Me and you are the people.
You're cheap on me. But anyways guys, yes.
Is it really this Cersei?
This door deep. Woo! My phone drop. Woo! But anyways guys, yeah. Okay, one expands. Dance to me. Dance to everyone, no? Dance to me. Dance now? Yeah. Anyways guys, yes sir. Guys, to be honest, I enjoy my day. I don't know, so I got birthday and a school. My day, I'm on school trip, and we don't really do nothing like that much because a school trip, my day on. So yeah, I'm gonna go for my birthday on the weekend. So you don't know how the thing go per. I be so sick of you niggas. Eh? I'm really tired and hungry right now. Janelle, give me a dance, Janelle. Catch a dip. It's not a normal young. Watch this shit! Be a shit! Yes, miss. Yeah. Miss Dance now? Yeah, Janelle. Yeah. Yeah, alright. Yeah. What you go? Yeah.
Ready? I go see you on my daily. Yo, came on the Bonazzelli. What are you in for?
My vlog nice, So right now guys, we are getting food. The vlog ain't gonna read too long. Come on, think I go. Make it long. What's him? We not video yo.
You wake up cool, sir. Funny vlog, you know?
Yeah, per.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Akia.
No, okay.
I listen to you. get my food. And yeah, with the sun. Yeah. I got enough the vlog right here, so because I'm tired, to be honest. So everybody, I'm enjoying my day today. And I also got enough the vlog. I'm a phone a dead. So yeah. Come to them, girl. They want to know everybody vlog, so. Because they know. Alright, they want them a vlog.
Hey guys, subscribe to
What's that? You want them vlog? You don't want to
GlossyNation. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Right, true.
Pranks and vlogs and whatever coming up. Just drop. Just do right.
Yeah, just drop it. So yeah guys, I got enough to vlog right now because I'm tired. My phone is dead. So remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. As I hear my friend them say, watch the ads them also. I don't know say your girl birthday today. Big 17 per. So yeah. Bye.